Have you ever had a woman say something that stopped you dead in your tracks? Like, are you always this forward? Or by saying something like, I have a boyfriend, or even the dreaded, you're not really my type. It stings, right? It does. It hurts. But what if I told you that those moments are actually opportunities, that with the right response, you could flip her rejection into curiosity and attraction. So stick around because I'm about to give you 10 powerful comebacks to any test a woman throws your way that instantly shift the dynamic and actually make her rethink her initial brush off. Oh, and you don't have to memorize them at all because I have put together a free little ebook for you with every example from this video so you can review them anytime you want. Plus, the PDF also includes 20 additional comebacks that are not in this video, plus versions of each comeback for younger men and older men dealing with younger men and older women, plus instructions on how to say each of these comebacks to make her want you more. It's a lot. The link is in the description box below. You can download it after you watch this video or before if you want, but please keep watching this video. My name is Marni, your personal wing girl, and for the last 21 years, I have helped men attract, date, and connect with amazing women by giving them the real insights into how women think, feel, flirt, and what we want versus what we don't want. And now I want to do the same for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video. Before I tell you the best flirting hack you'll ever hear that any guy can pull off, I want to tell you about another hack that every man should be doing for his penis. If you want a vibrant sex life with the best erections of your life that don't fail you when needed most, and you are going to love today's video sponsor, Joymode. Joymode is the hack your penis has been waiting for and makes you always ready for the ultimate sexual pleasure that will guarantee extreme pleasure for you and for her. Joymode's sexual performance booster is an all-natural and science-backed solution to increase blood flow, firmness, stamina, and performance. No more will you need to take recreational prescriptions and over-the-counter gas station pills to help you in the bedroom. They're disgusting. You don't want that. Anyway, they're terrible and they can hurt you in the long run. I would much rather that your penis, take a supplement designed to spice things up naturally rather than a prescription drug that can have harmful effects down the road. Joymode's sexual performance booster is like a pre-workout for sex. You take it anywhere from 45 minutes to 5 hours before you have sex, and you can expect to have one of the best erections of your life. So men across the nation have turned to Joymode with over 1 million packets taken to elevate their sexual performance. So if you want to spice things up in the bedroom and boost your sexual performance and support your overall heart health and quality of life, and do it naturally without nasty prescription drugs, then I want you to give Joymode a try. So I want you to go to tryjoymode.com/Marni or enter Marni at checkout for 20% off your first order. That's usejoymode.com/Marni for 20% off your first order. So thank you very much, Joymode, for sponsoring today's video. All right, let's dive in and give you some comebacks. Here's what most guys get wrong. They take a woman's rejection, harsh statements, and sarcasm at face value. They freeze, they get defensive, or they just walk away defeated. But what women are actually doing a lot of the time is testing your confidence. It's subconscious, it's primal. It's not meant to be mean or manipulative, it's meant to protect us. And she's testing your confidence. We want to see if you can hold your ground or if you'll crumble. We want to see if you'll fall apart under pressure. We want to see if we're stronger than you or not, or if you'll lean back, smile, and own the moment. How you respond in these moments is everything, because women, we're emotional creatures. We don't fall for logic, we fall for feeling. And when you respond with calm, confident playfulness, we feel that like right in here, everywhere. We think, oh, maybe I misjudged him. That's when attraction starts to spark. So to make sure you are good and ready for when she throws curveballs your way, I wanted to give you a bunch of examples of bold, witty, and attractive comebacks you can say to any woman, both in person and over text. So let's start with the text responses because these are super common and you're gonna encounter these the most. When she ghosts you, flakes on you, says, I'm not in the right place to date, or tells you she's not feeling chemistry, here's how you can respond with zero neediness and turn things around. These are straight from my Text This swipe file, and the PDF includes 2 versions of each line. Again, One for younger guys and one for older guys, one for younger women, one for younger women. So people who are dating. And you get the point. Are you ready? Number 1, she says the distance is too much. This one isn't as common, but she says something like this. The distance is too much. You can't date. And you say, totally fair. Long distance is tricky, but we'd probably just end up falling madly in love and complicating both our lives anyway. With a smiley face. Another response is, that said, I still think you're fun to talk to, and I'm a fan of rare connections, even the inconvenient ones. Ooh. All right, number 2, she ghosts you completely. So you write, well, I'll assume you got abducted by aliens or distracted by a really good Netflix show. Either way, I hope it was worth missing out. Winky face. Or you could text, most people just say they're not feeling it, but hey, the dramatic exit keeps things interesting. Which I think is kind of cute. Number 3, she cancels on you last minute. You say, no worries, you've officially used your one get out of date free card. Hope it was for something truly epic like saving a kitten or fighting crime. I think that's cute. Or you say, brutal. I was fully dressed, cologned up, and ready to charm your socks off. Guess I'll go impress the barista instead. Okay, number 4, she says, there's no chemistry between us. You write back, totally fair, but if we did have chemistry, it probably would have been illegal in at least 7 states. Or you write, good call. You'd probably just fall madly in love eventually, and I hear unrequited obsession is exhausting. Number 5, she says she just wants to be friends. You write back, friends? Cute, but I've got enough people in my life who don't flirt with me. Or you say, appreciate the honesty. Just so we're clear though, I'm way too charming to be friend-zoned forever. Okay, again, I've put all of these responses plus 20 more additional responses into a PDF that you can download for free if you click the link in the description box below. The PDF also includes responses for guys who are over 45, even though they can still pull off these responses and get the same results. Okay, so let's move on to real life comebacks, not texting. These are quick-witted, playful, flirty things you can say on a date or in person when a woman throws you a test like this. She says, you're not my type. You can say, that's okay. I tend to be the plot twist in most people's stories. She says, why are you still single? You say, because I haven't met someone fun enough to change that yet. Right? Good response. Always pushing the conversation forward. The next one. Is that your best pickup line? Your response, no, that was just the warm-up. You want the premium version, or are we still in the free trial stage? She says, I don't want to date guys from Hinge. Your response, breaking your own rules already, I'm flattered. She says, I don't usually do this. You say, and yet, here you are. Must be my charm. Now imagine having these responses ready to go anytime a woman throws you a test or a rejection. You would feel completely bulletproof because you're armed and ready. You feel like a Marvel character. So if you want, go grab the full list of all 40 comebacks by downloading the free ebook called Text This. I've put the link in the description box below or somewhere on the screen. There are 20, I think there's actually 30 more comebacks included in this PDF that I didn't share in this video that are even better than the ones that I shared in this video. I save the good stuff for guys who are really serious about this. So you're gonna get the exact lines, why they work, and how to use them in real life, plus a few bonus tips that I did not cover in this video. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and share it with friends who need to up their flirting games or their comeback game. And remember, rejection isn't the end, it's the beginning if you know what to say. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you next time.